If the management system generates alarm 2067 faulty power collector, you can take these actions. Check whether the configured power meter model is the same as the actual model. Open the Fusion Solar app, log into the inverter, and check the configured power meter model. Check whether the communications parameters for the power meter are the same as the RS485 configurations of the device. Log into the inverter and check whether the RS485 configurations of the inverter are the same as those of the power meter. Check whether the power meter is powered on and whether the RS485 communications cable is connected correctly. Ensure that the power meter is powered on properly. Ensure that the RS485 cable connection between the inverter and the power meter is correct. Check whether the power supply to the meter is abnormal due to a power grid failure. If a power grid failure occurs, the power supply to the meter will be abnormal. Check whether the CT is correctly connected to the meter. 3-phase 4-wire cable connections. Three-phase 3-wire cable connections.